Hi everyone, my name is Oluwakemi Sholenye from Ogun State, Nigeria. I am an ordinary participant. 25th of May 2017, I provided help in the sum of 500,000 naira. I sent my donation to the members matched with me and I was confirmed. June 29, 2017, I requested for help in the sum of 679,000 naira, and to my greatest surprise, I was matched with only 2 members of the MMM community who sent the donations of 679,000 naira in less than 8 hours. The joy I get from MMM community cannot be expressed. I am too excited and full of happiness. MMM is the only community that gives people this kind of opportunity and financial freedom. Thank you, MMM. MMM is real.